Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download LinkedIn application to your Windows laptop, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to click here in the search and you are going to type store, then you will find the option Microsoft Store. You just click here, then in the search bar you are going to type LinkedIn. You will find the first option, and here as you can see you will find the official application and it is completely free, and make sure to install the official one. And after that you just click on get and the installation will start, and once it's completed you will find the application in your laptop ready to be used. And once it's done, if you can't find it here in your desktop, you can just go and search for the application here, and once you find it you can just right click on it, and then you can choose either to create a shortcut here for your desktop, or you can just pin it to the taskbar and you can find it here just next to these applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.